Do you want to host an in-person event in 2024? That could look like a retreat, that could look like a multi-day conference, that could look like just a one-day workshop. If you're a coach or consultant, I'm here for you. I'm your girl. So I have an offer open right now called Retreat in a Box. And what's so special about that is it is a completely done for you retreat plan by me in 21 days. It is so potent and powerful to get a retreat on the books, to get the details understood, and get the budget completely in lock so you can price for profit for your in person retreat and start selling. A lot of people underestimate how long it takes to actually market and sell out a retreat, especially if it's your first one and you might have like lukewarm audience. So, getting the details sorted and know exactly what you need to charge and how to get there really, really, really increases the odds of having a successful and profitable retreat. So you would say, I have no more capacity to deal with things and deal with the details that I don't know anything about. I'm your girl. So go ahead and shoot me a DM and I'll talk to you soon.